Android Multi-Tools helps manage Android devices from a PC, but it can fail when unlocking, rebooting, or managing data. In this video, we'll cover common causes and fixes. Part 1. Why is Android Multi-Tools not working? Bad USB cable or port or wrong connection. USB debugging off. Missing or wrong drivers. Unsupported device. Software conflicts. Antivirus. Firewall. Their ADB tools. Outdated corrupt multi-tools. Wrong device mode. ADB fastboot. Low system resources. Part 2. Android Multi-Tools not working? 6 cases and scientific solutions. Case 1. Crashes. Run as admin. Ensure Java/.NET or reinstall latest multi-tools in a clean folder. Case 2. Not detected. Enable USB debugging. Check cable or port. Install drivers. Restart phone and PC. Reconnect. Case 3. Device busy. Reconnect phone. Toggle USB debugging. Correct mode. Close ADB programs. Restart. Case 4. Stuck at CM. Run as admin. Check USB. Enable debugging. Correct mode. Close ADB programs. Restart. Case 5. ADB not found. Enable USB debugging. Authorize PC. Install or update drivers. Use correct mode. Try another cable or port. Restart and reconnect. Case 6. Insufficient permissions. Run as admin. Allow USB debugging. Adjust security if needed, then restart phone and PC. Part 3. FAQs about Android Multi-Tools. Q1. Newer or heavily customized Android may not be supported. Use alternatives if needed. Q2. Same as Q1 device may be unsupported. Q3. Safe from trusted sources, but backup data to avoid loss. Q4. Multi-tools can't recover data. Use recovery software. Q5. FERP removal may work on some devices, not all. Q6. Update by downloading the latest version from a trusted source. Q7. Unlocking or resetting may void warranty. Check first. Part 4. Android Multi-Tools still doesn't work? Try the best replacement. When Multi-Tools fails, Android Lock Wiper lets you remove pins, passwords, patterns, fingerprints, face locks, and bypass FERP, all via guided PC process. How to guide. Now let's take FERP unlocking as an example to illustrate how Android Lock Wiper works. Install Android Lock Wiper on your PC. Connect your phone, select the mode, verify details, click Start to unlock, then follow on-screen instructions to reset. Thanks for watching.